Most investors see a good deal and jump in. They see high rent, a low purchase price, and they sign the contract. But one of these three properties looks like a goldmine on paper, yet it will actually bankrupt you. Let's find it. We've analyzed over 500 deals using a strict, data-driven framework. We've seen the guaranteed 15% returns turn into negative cash flow nightmares. We've spent years refining a system that strips away the emotion and leaves only the math. In this video, we're doing a live teardown of 3 real properties. I'm going to show you the exact, no-fail, rental calculator we use to spot the traps before they spot us. By the end, you won't just know which property is the trap, you'll have the exact blueprint to analyze any deal in under 5 minutes, so you never lose a dime on a bad investment. Here is the problem. Most beginners look at a listing and do napkin math. Rent minus mortgage equals profit. Simple, right? Wrong. That's how people end up in financial handcuffs. You think you're buying a passive income stream. But in reality, you've just bought a second full-time job that actually pays you to work for it. Think about it. 1 unexpected roof leak. 1 tenant who stops paying in month 3. 1 sudden hike in property taxes. Suddenly that goldmine is bleeding cash. You're not building wealth, you're subsidizing a building. The worst part, on a basic spreadsheet, the deal still looks okay. Why? Because you forgot the silent killers. These are the costs that don't show up in the Zillow description, but they absolutely show up in your bank account. If you don't know how to spot these red flags before you sign the contract, you aren't investing. You're gambling. And in real estate, a bad bet doesn't just lose you a few $100. It can freeze your credit, drain your emergency fund, and keep you awake at 3 a.m. for the next 10 years. Most people learn this the hard way after the closing papers are signed. But you don't have to. That is exactly why we are doing this live analysis. We're going to expose where the traps are hidden in plain sight. To stop guessing, you need a system, not a gut feeling. Most beginners look at the monthly rent and subtract the mortgage. That's how you go broke. To actually build wealth, you need a no-fail rental calculator. We're talking about accounting for the hidden killers, vacancy, capex, and property management. Let's put 3 real-world deals through the ringer. Deal number 1. The Steady Eddie. Purchase price $180,000. Expected rent $1,500. On the surface, it looks boring. But let's run the numbers. Total expenses $1,205. Monthly cash flow $295. It's not a jackpot, but it's a safe, positive cash flow asset. This is a green light deal for a beginner. Now let's look at deal number 2. The Gold Miner. Price $120,000. Expected rent $2,200. Now your heart is racing. The ROI looks insane. You're thinking about quitting your job. But look closer at the inspection report. The roof is end of life. The foundation is shifting. To make this property rentable for the next decade, you need $30,000 in immediate capital expenditures. That gold mine just became a liability. Your first 2 years of profit are gone before you even collect the first check. This is the financial trap. It looks great on a listing, but the math reveals the truth. Finally, deal number 3. The Value Add. Price $210,000. Current rent $1,400. If you buy it as is, you're barely breaking even. But here's the play. For $15,000 in cosmetic upgrades, paint, flooring, and lighting, you can push the rent to $1,900. Now you've increased your equity and your monthly income simultaneously. That's how the pros actually play the game. The difference between these 3 outcomes isn't luck. It's the data. If you want the exact calculator I use to spot these traps, check the link in the description. Stop guessing. Start calculating. So which one was the trap? Property B. On the surface, the cash flow looked sexy. But once we factored in the actual capex and vacancy rates, it's a wealth killer. Property A, however, is our goldmine. Stable cash flow and massive equity potential. If you want to stop guessing and start calculating like a pro, I used Deal Check for this entire analysis. It catches the hidden red flags that bankrupt beginners. I've left a link in the description so you can start analyzing your own deals with precision. Stop gambling with your savings. Start using data. If this breakdown helped you spot a trap, hit the like button and subscribe for more data-driven wealth strategies. Now, watch this next video to learn how to find these off-market deals before they hit the MLS.